Dyslexia is a specific learning disorder that involves difficulty reading due to problems identifying speech sounds and learning how they relate to letters. Children with dyslexia usually have trouble connecting the sounds made by a specific letter. Dyslexia can seriously affect the person's self-esteem. They may get very frustrated and are at risk of developing mental health problems such as anxiety and depression. Therefore, there is a clear need to intervene.
To solve this problem, a game called Dysplex was developed as an alternative intervention tool with little emphasis on phonics. The objective of developing this Dysplex is to help the dyslexic to learn spelling and reading at their own pace in a more enjoyable and interesting way. The feature of Dysplex consists of Malay medium, very gameplay mode, open dyslexic font style, simple instruction with sound, original character, image and gameplay, simple navigation, and easy reward.
Methodology. The game was developed using a cross-platform game engine which is Unity, and it allows dyslexic to play the game anywhere anytime, since the game can be run on both the phone and tablet devices. The development of Dysplex took 4 months to complete, and it followed the standard development methodology which included planning, requirement gathering, design, prototyping, and evaluation phases. For the finding, the game has been evaluated by filling the questionnaire by the user. The user has been shown the demonstration of the flow of the game, and the user will play the game themselves. Then these two are the graphs which represent the result from user. So we can see that in overall, the result is good since they are above the average of 2.5, and they are already close with the total which is a 5 for each aspect. For the contribution to society, this can support the United Nations Sustainable Development Goals for quality education, reducing inequality, and sustainable city and community. Dysplex has potential to be used in school and learning centers which provide education for students with dyslexia, and by parents at home as support learning tool for their dyslexic children.
When user click on the game, and it will show this interface, and they need to click on the mirror. They will see the gameplay mode that in this game. So the first one is kena huruf.
Sila pilih huruf B.
And they will hear the instruction sound, and they need to choose it. And if they choose the wrong letter,
Ini adalah huruf I.
the system will correct them, and they can hear again the pronounce
I.
and choose to play a game and go back to home page.
Sila pilih huruf Q.
So if they choose the correct letter,
Anda jawab betul.
you say the anda jawab betul. And for the second is the pindah perkataan.
Chili.
The system will pronounce the word, and they need to drag on the correct letter into the box.
Bagus.
If the letter is correct, you say that bagus and show at the above.
Bagus.
If they drag the wrong letter, it will go back to original place.
Chili.
If the user drag all the letter which is correct, and it will say that bagus. Letter is the perkataan.
Badak.
So they need to choose the correct word based on the pronounce. And if they choose the wrong,
Bukan saya.
the system will say that bukan saya. If they choose the correct,
Anda jawab betul.
the system will say that anda jawab betul and give mark and also the reward. This reward can be accumulated in this game.
Merah.
The fourth is the teka huruf. So they need to choose the correct letter based on the pronounce. This is also same like previous. If they choose the wrong letter, it will say that bukan saya, and if they choose the correct,
Anda jawab betul.
and it will give the mark and also the reward. So the fifth one is the edger.
Bapa.
So they need to fill the word based on the pronounce, and if they fill wrong, and they can delete and or reset all the word in the space. And if they choose all the correct letter,
Anda jawab betul.
you will give the mark and also the reward. Last is the isi sebutan.
Petang.
So they need to put the sebutan in the correct place. So if they choose the wrong sebutan,
Bukan saya.
it will say that bukan saya. And if they choose the correct,
Bagus.
and it will say bagus.
Anda jawab betul.
And if all is correct, and it will give the mark and also the reward. That's all for the demonstration of the Dysplex.